Hello, welcome you all. I am Dhananjay Ramkrishna Patil, lecturer Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Santuri, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about Drug Price Control Order Act 1995. So content, introduction, history, amendments, objectives, definitions, prices of bulk drug, information required from manufacturer to the government, retail price of formulation, power to fix price of scheduled formulation, fixation of price under certain circumstances, power to recover overcharge amount, control of sale prices of bulk drug and formulation, sale of split quantity of formulation, schedule related with DPCO Act 1995, offences and penalties. Introduction: DPCO Act 1995, confirmed by Section 3 of Essential Commodity Act 1955. History: in 1966, Parliament member felt that manufacturing charging high rate on drugs. To control on high drug rate, DPCO Act 1966 was passed under Section 3 of Essential Commodity Act 1955. DPCO Act 1966 replaced by DPCO Act 1970. In 1974, Hathi Committee was formed and submitted its report in 1975. DPCO Act 1970 replaced by DPCO Act 1987. Finally, DPCO Act 1987 replaced by DPCO Act 1995. Amendments: Drug Price Control Order 1970, Drug Price Control Order 1979, Drug Price Control Order 1987, Drug Price Control Order 1991, Drug Price Control Order 1995. Objectives of the DPCO: to achieve adequate production, to regulate equal distribution, to maintain and increase supply of bulk drugs, to make at fair price. Definitions: bulk drugs. It means any pharmaceutical, chemical, and biological or plant product, including its salt, ester, stereoisomer, and derivatives, conforming to pharmacopoeial or other standards specified in second schedule to the D&C Act 1940. Selling price: prices fixed by government for scheduled formulation according to the provision of DPCO. Drug: all medicine for internal or external use of human being or animals, and all substances intended to be used for or in the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, or prevention of any disease or disorder in human being or animals, including preparation applied on human body for the purpose of repelling insects like mosquitoes. Retail prices: retail price of drug fixed in accordance with the provision of DPCO 1995 and includes selling prices. Scheduled bulk drug: it means bulk drug specified in first schedule of DPCO. Import: it means bringing into India from a place outside India. Free reserve: it means a reserve created by appropriation of profit but does not include reserves provided for contingent liability, disputed claim, goodwill, revaluation, and other similar reserves. Net worth: it means the paid up share capital of a company plus free reserve, if any, and surplus excluding outside investment which are not readily available for operational activity. Pre-tax return: it means profit before payment of income tax and surtax and includes such other expenses as do not form part of the cost of formulation. Retailer means a dealer carrying on the retail business of sale of drug to customer. Wholesaler means a dealer or his agent or a stockist appointed by a manufacturer or an importer for the sale of his drug to the retailer. Hospitals, dispensary, and medical, educational, or research institution who purchase bulk quantity of drug. Sale turnover means the product of units of formulation sold by manufacturer on a importer in an accounting year multiplied by retail price inclusive of sale tax. If any paid on direct sales by the manufacturer or importer, it does not include excise duty and local taxes. Prices of bulk drugs: government has the power to fix maximum sale price. While fixing the sale price, government shall take into following consideration: post-tax return 14% on net worth, return of 22% of capital employed. For new plant, return of 12% based on long-term marginal cost. On the basis stage of production, post-tax return 18% on net worth or 26% on capital employed. At the time of production of drug, manufacturer will detail in the Form 1 and give necessary information to government within 15 days. Make necessary inquiry and then government fix maximum sale price if bulk drugs and noted in official gazette. Government also fix or revise the price of non-scheduled bulk drug. Information required from manufacturer to the government. For the both scheduled and non-scheduled bulk drug, list of drug produced in with cost in the form 1 and 2 respectively. But for scheduled bulk drug, it should be given by 30 September every year. Retail price of formulation. Retail price is equal to MC plus CC plus PM plus PC into 1 plus MAPE divided by 100 plus ED. RP is retail price, MC is material cost, CC is conversion cost, PM is packaging material, PC is packaging charges, MAP is maximum allowable post manufacturing expenses, ED is excess duty. Power to fix retail price of scheduled formulation. Government fix the retail price of bulk drug and manufacturer use drug in scheduled formulation. For price revision of such formulation, manufacturer should apply within 30 days. From the date of receipt of completion of information, government fix retail price within 2 months. Without the approval of government, manufacturer should not increase retail price of drug. Manufacturer should not market a new formulation. No person shall sell imported scheduled formulation. Power to fix selling price of scheduled formulation. Government to fix selling price of scheduled formulation with formula given in paragraph 7. Keep cost and efficacy or both. Selling price of formulation including those sold under generic name. Fix revise selling price of scheduled formulation either on its own motion or on application made in prescribed form. Power to revise price of bulk drug and formulation. Government to fix or revise retail price of one or more formulation as the pre-tax return or sale turnover of formulation than the scheduled and non-scheduled information. Fixation of price under certain circumstances. If any manufacturer of bulk drug fails to submit the application of fixation or revision of price or fail to give information within specified time period, then government fixed price of bulk drug. Power to recover overcharge amount. If any manufacturer or importer charging higher price than the price fixed by government, then government may recover the overcharge amount. Control of sale prices of bulk drug and formulation. No person or retailer shall sell the drug formulation any customer at increasing price specified in current price list in indicated or container level. Sale of split quantity of formulation. No dealer shall sell the loose quantity of formulation at price exceeding pro rata retail price of formulation plus 5%. Schedule related with DPCO Act 1955. First schedule includes 75 bulk drug which comes under DPCO Act 1955, penicillin, ranitidine, chloroquine, etc. Second schedule, different forms including second schedule. Form 1, application for fixation revision of price. Form 2, information related price of non-scheduled bulk drug. Form 3, application for approval revision of price of scheduled formulation. Form 4, application for approval revision of price of scheduled formulation imported in finished form. Form 5, form of price list. Form 6, yearly information on turnover and allocation of sales and expenses. Third schedule include maximum pre-tax return on sale turnover, manufacturer or importer of formulation category. Category A, large unit with turnover exceeding ₹6 crore per annum. Category B, medium sized unit turnover between ₹1 crore to 6 crore per annum. Category C, other units with turnover of less than 1 crore per annum. Offences and penalties. Offences, any contravention of any of the provision of this order. Penalties, which shall be punishable with imprisonment for 1 year and also liable to fine. In case of any other order with imprisonment for not less than 3 months but which may extend to 7 years and also liable to fine. Thank you so much.